We at Imaginex really strive towards improving ourselves. Basically, we want to put our standard to be as good as Hollywood. We know that most of the time our expertise is always being judged by comparing our work with Hollywood production. Being an action movie, there are new sound that we need to design. Because of that, we need to develop new techniques on how a sound is produced, how a sound is being designed, and how we even record our Foley. In producing the sound for the Goliath, because such thing doesn't exist in real world, we need to find new ways or new techniques to record or to produce a sound for that machine. It has to sound big. We want to make it sound as real as possible. We want to increase the cinematic experience for the audience. So the technique to produce this, the sound for the Goliath, I think is probably mind-blowing. Things that people never thought of doing. Something that we ourselves are surprised by the result. In Malaysia, the firearms regulations are very strict. So basically our access to real-life weapon is practically non-existent. So we need to find ways to record something that could represent the sound of the machine guns. Basically, we have found, I would say, a new technique to make it sound very close to the sound of the gun itself. It sounds so real. People can really feel the gun itself, every single shot of the gun, you can really feel it. So I guess it really works. In this movie, there's also a scene where the characters are engaged in a fist fight. The sound for this scene, basically we can easily source it from the library, for instance, but the problem is it sounds a bit fake and it's probably overused. We have found a new technique or a new way to record the sound so that it sounds original, sounds authentic, and it sounds like a real fist fight.